Good morning student. Today we will continue our chapter 7, that is linear equations in one variable. Okay, we already discussed how to use the inverse operation and transposition method to solve an equation. Now we are solving the word problems, how to convert statement into an equation and then solve this equation for finding the value of given unknown variable. Now see, in this question there is one question: Approve received 3/4 of all votes cast in the election for school president. In a school there is an election for the school president and Approve received 3/4 of all votes, means जितने total votes थे उसका 3/4 votes जो है वो अप्रूव को मिले. वो 3/4 वोट्स किसके इक्वल है? इफ ही रिसीव्ड 876 वोट्स, इट मीन्स वो 3/4 वोट्स जो है टोटल वोट के वो किसके इक्वल है? 876 के. तो वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मैनी टोटल वोट्स इन द स्कूल, हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट्स वोटेड. नाउ सी हाउ टू राइट इट. सॉल्यूशन: अप्रूव रिसीव्ड 3/4 of all votes. It means let total number of students voted is equal to x. कि टोटल x नंबर स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने वोट किया है स्कूल में. और अप्रूव received votes, that is equal to 3/4. How to write down 3/4? That is 3/4. 3/4 of x. Now see, according to statement, this 3/4 of x is equal to 876. It is given to you that total number of votes which Apurv received, that is 876. It means 3/4 of x is equal to 876. Now solve it. It becomes 3x/4 is equal to 876. Now see how to solve it. This 4 is in division. So when you do transposition, then it will come into multiplication. In this case, we need the variable x value, that is 876 into 4. This is in multiplication, it means it will come in division. Now solve it. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, 3 carry, 4 2s are 8 और 3 11. It means total number of votes in school, how many students voted? 1168. Or we can say number of students voted 1168. So this time we will solve our equation. It is totally depend on the statement. Okay, some more examples we will discuss. Your question number 10, exercise 7th B. There is many things of a number. Many things of a number subtracts 18 from it, and divides the difference by 3. The result is minus 4. The result is minus 4. What is the number? In this question, see, many things of a number. We don't know about the number. It means we can take, let the number is x. Many things of a number. We don't know the number, so we write down, let the number is x. Subtract 18 from it. You know very well, whenever you do the subtraction from it means from x. So subtract 18 from x. It means we write down that is x minus 18 and divides the difference. ये difference है, x minus 18 is the difference. Divide the difference. इस difference को divide करना है किससे? By 3. It means it become x minus 18 by 3. The result is minus 4. It means when you will do this, then you will get the result minus 4. Then after solve the equation and find out the number. Then how to solve it? Let number is equal to x. According to statement, x minus 18 divided by 3 is equal to minus 4. Now solve it. X minus 18 is equal to minus 4. Do transposition, then multiply by 3. X minus 18, that is equal to minus 12. Now do transposition. This is minus 18. When you will do transposition, then here will come plus 18. Then it become 6. It means what is the number many things? So we can say many things, a number 6 है. This is our answer. So try to understand your question properly. Then after, according to statement, we will make a equation and then solve it. Another examples, another questions. 1A type of question we are taking. 4 times Sonu's age decreased by 3 is equal to 3 times his age increased by 7. How old is Sonu? Properly read out the statement and then do it 4 times. अब देखो, they are asking about the Sonu's age, but we don't know Sonu's age, so let Sonu age is x. 4 times, it means 4x. Decreased by 3, it means इतनी एज डिक्रीज 3 से डिक्रीज हो रही है, तो 4x में से क्या कर दें हम? डिक्रीज बाय, इट मीन्स डू सब्ट्रैक्शन, टेक द डिफरेंस 4x minus 3. Is there helping verb? Then we will put equal sign. Is equal to 3 times his age, that is 3x, increased by means plus 7. Then solve this equation and find out the value of x. So we write down in solution, let Sonu's age is equal to x here. Then according to statement, You can describe it also one by one, that 4 times his age decreased by 3. Suppose I write down this statement, 4 times Sonu's age decreased by 3. It means 4 times Sonu's age, that is 4x, decreased by 3, it means minus 3. 3 times his age increased by 7. It means 3 times his age increased by 7. It means 3 times his age increased by 7. It is given to you, both are equal, so we can write down 4x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 7. Then solve it. Do transposition. Variable minus 3x I take, minus 3 is equal to 7. 4x minus 3x, x minus 3 is equal to 7. X is equal to, do transposition, 7 plus 3, then 10. It means Sonu's age is, hence Sonu's age is equal to 10 years. This type we will solve these questions. Now see, three consecutive number whose sum is 81. I already said whenever we need the 3 consecutive integer, 3 consecutive integer, then whenever we want to let, then we take x minus 1, x plus 1. 2 we can take x plus 1. Then this one x minus 1, x plus 1, then whose sum means इन तीनों का सम किसके इक्वल है? According to statement, whose sum, it means x minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 81. Then it becomes easy for us. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. It becomes 3x is equal to 81. Then x is equal to 81 by 3, that is 27. It means your first number is 26, second number is 27, then 28. So these conjugative integer value, x value is 27, then x minus 1 26 and x plus 1 28. These are the 3 conjugative integer which we can find out using equation. One last question of this exercise I am discussing, then your 7th chapter complete. I am speaking the question number 20. See here, for her mobile phone service, Divya pays rupees 145. Divya pays rupees 145 per month for her mobile phone service. मोबाइल फोन सर्विस के लिए दिव्या पे कर रही है रुपीज 145 पर मंथ एंड 75 पैसे फॉर ईच, 75 पैसा फॉर ईच एक्स्ट्रा मिनट. उससे ऊपर जितना 1 मंथ के लिए 145 रुपीज़ है, इसके अलावा जितने एक्स्ट्रा मिनट्स हैं उसके लिए 75 पैसा पे कर रही है. एंड टॉक्स ओवर द अलाउड, शी टॉक्स ओवर द अलाउड नंबर ऑफ मिनट्स इन द मंथली प्लान. शी रिसीव्ड ए बिल ऑफ रुपीज, शी रिसीव्ड ए बिल ऑफ rupees 178 last month. How many extra minutes did she use her phone beyond the allowed time? It means जब उसने 1 मंथ का प्लान लिया तो उसमें कुछ मिनट्स फिक्स थे कि इतने मिनट्स के लिए 145 रुपीज़ में इतने मिनट्स के लिए कॉल हो सकती है. लेकिन उसके अलावा उसने जो भी मिनट यूज़ किया ही पे एक्स्ट्रा मनी फॉर इट, दैट इज 75 पैसा फॉर ईच एक्स्ट्रा मिनट. Last month she received a bill of rupees 178. Now you have to make a equation for calculating that how many extra minutes she did talk. Then how to do? According to statement C. उससे पहले let extra minutes इज इक्वल टू एक्स मिनट. टोटल एक्स मिनट से जो उसके एक्स्ट्रा थे. तो सी हेयर 1 मंथ का 145 रुपीज़ तो उसे देना ही है, ठीक है. उसके अलावा उसे कितना रुपीज़ देना है, 1 मिनट जब उसने बात की है तब उसके लिए 75 पैसा लगा. तो अगर वो एक्स मिनट एक्स्ट्रा बात करेगी तो उसके लिए अगर उसको रुपीज़ में कन्वर्ट करें तो दिस इज 75 डिवाइड बाय 100. इतने रुपीज़ उसको देने पड़ेंगे. एक्स मल्टी 1 मिनट का 75 पैसा है, 2 मिनट्स का 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 75, 3 मिनट्स का 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 75. तो इफ़ वी हैव टोटल एक्स मिनट्स इट मीन्स वी हैव टू डू एक्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 75 और वी वांट टू चेंज इन रुपीज़, दैट्स व्हाई आई विल डिवाइड बाय 100. इन दोनों का टोटल जो आया था बिल वो कितना है 178. नाउ सॉल्व योर इक्वेशन. x इंटू 75 बाय 100 इज इक्वल टू, डू दिस ट्रांसपोजिशन, 178 माइनस 145 दैट इज इक्वल टू 33. तो नाउ सी 75x डिवाइड बाय 100 इज इक्वल टू 33. X is equal to, this is in division, then here multiply, and this is in multiplication, then here come in division. Now solve it. 25 3 is 75, 25 4 is 100, 3 11, that is 44 minutes. It means extra minutes are 44 minutes. Now your complete chapter, your chapter number 7 complete. Do properly, and chapter assessment, chapter wrap up also do learn, and chapter assessment do practice also. So complete your chapter in your fair notebook. Thank you.